What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're doing well. Gonna go over our friend GALA Games. Our trade is up 12%. We're sitting at 0.01523. We're up 10% on the day. Same market cap at 388 million. 24-hour volume 111 million. So as we can see, we've exploded to the upside. We're currently up about 12% on our trade. We're up 50% on our SOL trade. We're up on our Ethereum trade as well. How much are we up on ETH? Almost hit our TP1. Here's our entry. Currently we're up 9%, 10% on Ethereum trade. Signals are $10 a month. So GALA Games, wave one to the upside. Nice little 5-wave move. Of course, it continues to explode, but we do have bearish divergence on the hourly. So if we pull back from here, it could offer another entry opportunity. Even though we're already in a GALA trade, I will give another signal for those not in the trade when we do pull back, and that will be given in the Discord for $10 a month. And if we look at the daily chart, so in our last GALA video, I talked about the bullish signals. I talked about the retest of the falling wedge. I talked about the bullish divergence on the RSI crossing the 50 line, us getting back above the 20 EMA, and how there's a good chance that we break out from here. And it looks like that may be starting. Nice little double bottom, and we already entered our trade. We're already up 12%. So if you want to get these trade signals, you can sign up to the Patreon. You spend $10 every single day on McDonald's, which kills you, and the Discord is much more beneficial and better for your health. So that's what I'm looking for, is a wave 2 pullback. When it does start to pull back, the target zone is in between the 50% and the 78.6. As of right now, if we were to pull back from here, the target would be 0.01416 and 0.01323, which could offer another long trade opportunity. If we just continue to push up, then you have to wait for that pullback. We're already in our trade, but if you're not in a trade yet, best to wait for that pullback, enter on the wave 2 to ride up the wave 3. Once that happens, a signal will be given in the Discord to ride up that juicy wave 3, which is the greatest wave to trade in the Elliott wave method. So that's what I'm looking at. It's looking good. It's looking healthy. Bitcoin exploded. Our trades are doing well. We're up 50% on our Solana trade, 10% on our Ethereum trade, 12% on our GALA trade. And more trades to come. Very exciting times in the market. So make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN for my US and American traders. US and Canadian traders who are looking for an exchange to trade futures, to trade spot. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account. Once you make your first deposit, if you deposit $1,000, $200 completely free to trade with. If you deposit $100, $20 completely free to trade with. My subscribers only. Sign up to the Discord through the Patreon. My signals are $10 a month. Not only do you get signals, you get daily crypto analysis for many pairs, often including ones that I don't cover on the channel very often. My exact trade setups, crypto news, member profits. As you can see, the members are crushing it. Took the GALA trade up 431%, and Forex signals and Forex analysis. So not only are we trading crypto, we're also trading Forex for $10 per month. $10. You really can't beat it. All links down below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.